pushing the boundaries a little bit here this time. I've got my glass print bed on, and I'm printing at a faster speed than I normally do. I can't remember how fast I'm printing. It's either 80 or 100. I'm using PLA Plus, which usually gives me problems. The pink stuff I had was PLA Plus, and I had to play around with the settings on that quite a lot to get a print out of it. So we're printing at 215 degrees. As I say, we're printing faster. This thing's still going to take several hours. I just thought I'd try it. Let's see if I could actually print at a faster speed, because otherwise this was going to take a day or so. It's only a little sort of Christmas decoration type thing. I'm printing it on a very low fill rate as well. I think it's only about 10% fill. Which for people who've no idea at all about 3D printing, none of that will mean anything. And for those who know what they're talking about, I probably said it all wrong anyway. We'll see. Well, he's finished. Not all is good though. Let's just have a quick look. 12 hours 16 minutes. So not a quick print, even though I set it to print faster than I would normally print. I set it to print at 100, I think. I think I did. I really can't remember now. But can you see the fail? If we look from this side, he looks quite alright, quite fun. But if we look from this side, his arm's fallen off. Obviously lost contact there. So he's minus one arm. So he's supposed to be all animated, which is lovely. And the arms are supposed to move as well, although I hardly dare push that one. Oh, it is moving. And I think the head moves as well, I'm not sure. But when it was printing, it looked very much like the head is ball jointed as well. But we've lost an arm, which is a shame. Still looks cute, but he's an armless Father Christmas. Or one arm less. Can you focus on him? Yeah. Okay, well I'm going to try another fast print, something a bit different. I'm not putting anything on the bed at the moment to help the grip. So I don't know if that's what the problem was, that it managed to just jerk that arm loose, and then after that it couldn't maintain contact. I've just noticed even the hands, oh, focus, come on, even the hands are articulated. Actually got the file off of Banggood. I was looking at the listing for the printer, the Creality Ender 3, and there are some free files to download. Yeah, I'm sure that head's supposed to move. Look at it, it's got all gap all round it. Yeah, I've just wiggled the head a bit. And yeah, he all moves. Oh, that's a real shame that his arm fell off then. I'll see if I can put a link in the video description so you can download it for yourself. So it is on the Banggood site, on the listing for the 3D printer. Oh, I'm really upset now because of that. He would have been perfect. Little Christmas present for somebody I know who likes Christmas related things. Yeah, there's a few little rough bits in there. So I think I printed this on the fast rate. I've got no way of going back and checking now, as far as I know. That is fantastic. Oh, what a shame. Oh dear. Bit of a disaster there. Not only have we lost his arm, but as I was loosening his head, because you have to manipulate it to break the little ties that were holding it in place while it was printed, I've snapped his head off. So yeah, bit of a disaster. Never mind. He does look nice, and if you've got a good printer, you might be able to print it yourself. So I'll see if I can put the links in. If I can't put the links in, I'll put the link to the Banggood webpage so you can download them from there. Well, a bit of super glue. I put a offcut of one of my scrap 3D printings up through the middle of his neck. So I've glued his head onto his neck. And I also, he'll fall over when I move him, I've just positioned him so he stands up. I've also glued his arm together. You can see the join, but he is glued in place. He's going to fall over. Come on, stay still. There we are. So, yeah, quite pleased with that. Back together. He won't last very long if the grandkids get hold of him. But he is all in one piece, and he will stand up if you balance him in exactly the right direction. Just put the light on so we can see a bit more detail. I think that might be a bit too bright. You can see his eyes, eyebrows, beard. He's even got buttons and a buckle on his chest. Yeah, I'm quite surprised. I didn't expect him to be that interesting. Oh, there we go, standing again. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.